Alright, welcome back to another video of Micah's Street. Today we are at Pillar Point.
Point Arena.
And we're at Sea Ranch. Yesterday I caught my first eel right over there, but it's fully submerged, so I can't go there right now. But anyways, we are going for rockcod and canary today, and some eels. Let's see if we can catch it. Got something on.
What do you got? Keep bringing it up. Keep bringing it up.
Rockcod.
Nice. First rock.
First rock of the whole trip. Nice. Rock.
That's a nice rock cod. Sweet. It's got a couple fillets on it. What do you think?
Yeah. Keep it.
Yeah. First rock cod on the kayak out here, Point Arena, right?
Yeah.
What are you using?
Shrimp fly.
Yeah.
Shrimp fly we got at the bait store. Because we asked some guys and they caught like a whole ton of canary and then we bought some and then we got a pretty nice rock cod.
Yeah, let's get it on the stringer.
Yeah. Oh, fish on! Oh yeah! Oh, man, this is a fighter one. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Oh man, nice rock cod. Whoa, beauty. What do you think?
Nice rock.
Let's see, what do we got here?
Big rock.
Wow.
Second rock.
That's a nice one.
Nice.
Nice grab, man.
Yeah, nice.
Let's get her off.
Yeah.
All right, nice. That's fighting. Bring it up. Keep reeling.
What is it?
Big rock, biggest one. What is that?
A wing? It's a wing.
It's a wing.
Human size.
Nice sling.
Yes! We cannot let that one go to waste.
Okay, we got big teeth, man. Oh, geez. Whoa. Hey, my man. Just chill.
Knock it on the head.
Oh, hold on here. I still don't have the other one unhooked, yeah.
What?
I still don't have the other one unhooked from our pull, yeah. Nice!
That's a massive one!
Wow. Okay.
Man,
This
this is our last round and we're heading back in. We're going to do some pulling right next to that pier. Yeah. Try catching some eel. Maybe one small rock cod. Anyways, here is our catch on the kayak. There. One very big lingcod and another big rockcod. So yeah. Anyways, we are gonna be pulling up here and see if we can catch one more rockcod out here. Oh yeah, and I forgot. The other rockcod, our first one, it was too small to keep, so me and my dad decided to let it go.
Fish on.
Oh yeah. Might be another wing or something.
What do you think? I don't know.
This one you're gonna have to knock on the head.
Well, let's see.
Go down.
Just ring it up.
I can't. It's tangled.
Real.
It's the real on its tangled.
Well, untangle it.
I can't. Alright.
If you're running, let it run if it's running. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Get ready to grab our fish on the line. Ooh, Dad. Grab it.
Run it here. Let's bring it up. Okay, no, it's pulling, it's pulling, it's pulling. Hold on.
What is it?
I don't know. Hold on. It's pulling. Just a second, just let it be. Now it's coming. Now pull up, reel, reel, reel. I can feel it coming. I can feel it coming. Hold on.
What is it?
I don't know. Yeah, hold on. No, it's pulling. We're trying to pull back down. Whoa. Oh no! Snapped it.
No! What was it?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh man.
Should let it run. Nice. Nice try.
Salmon?
No idea.
So, for our ingredients, what we put in the flour is flour, cornstarch, and garlic soap. And then we got some egg and milk. Then we'll take some Lingcod, put it in the flour, and dip it in a little bit. And then a little bit more flour. Then, so that's right there. Then, mix some more lean. And mix it in. Milk it in. Yeah. There. There. Then piece of Lingcod, I think. No, Rockcod. Big piece of Rockcod. Right, then another piece of cod. And then a little bit of Lingcod. I think this is all gonna fit. Maybe. And then there. So 5 minutes on each side, and then yeah, and then you can get them out and eat it. When we got home, there were some eggs in the chicken coop, and a lot of green beans. So my mom made some egg with green bean, my favorite. And then I got some soy sauce rice. And then right here we have a big chunk of rock cod, 2 pieces of ling. So I'm gonna try some rock. A little bit hot. That's really good. That's really good. I'm gonna try some lean. Lingcod is maybe like similar to rock cod flavor. It's a little bit plain. Yeah, similar to rock cod. A little bit fishy taste, and yeah, Lingcod's really good. Fine. Now I'm gonna. Oh, well. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button and ring the notification bell. See you next video. So pretty.